What up, what up? It's your boy Akie checking in here with another video. I had a subscriber actually asking me, what I did to find my last buyer for my last deal. And it's pretty simple. I'm going to take you into the laptop, into the computer, and basically step by step walk you through. I mean, this is really going to take us literally just a couple minutes. How quickly I found a buyer simply by finding all the LLCs on a specific street or within a specific zip code, and then from that point, turn around, skip tracing it, and then just going from there. So all I did was this right here. We would just go to a specific street. In this case, I know for a fact that there's some LLCs on this street, which is why I'm just making it easy. But you know exactly what your tax map for your city looks like. You know exactly what your what street you're on in that city. So you'd go to your GIS or your tax map. You'd go right into there, and you would simply just look for the LLCs. Now, if I am a wholesaler and I'm looking at a specific property on, this street, this Fiddler Creek Road, who do you think I'm contacting? Who do you think I'm going to do some research on in terms of trying to buy another property on this street? I mean, it just makes sense that I'd contact, this person right here, Donnellan Properties. I would contact that person. That'd be the first person I'd contact. And even if, our price is too high or things don't work out or they're not currently buying, things like that, then you can do some other things that are pretty cool. I found that you could just go to, either Zillow and type in the exact street and then the exact, city that you're in, state, and then you can pretty much do like a Google Maps type of deal, where you can see different streets around where your current property, subject property is, and then just find LLCs on those streets. Just search every street one by one. Now, I didn't say this was the most time effective thing, but if you're really looking for a buyer, and you're getting close to that timeline like I was, my specific situation was that my seller was actually trying to sell this thing, in the beginning of the year. They got it under contract with another wholesaler. Long story short, they totally, manipulated them, scammed them. They're out of state, and he rented out the properties while they were actually out of state. And he got money, he got income off of those properties, or off of the property, should I say. And, I'm in a position to where I don't want to go back to them and say, let's get an extension on this thing. I just want to go ahead and get this deal, over with for them, and go ahead and move on to other deals that I'm working on. So, in that case, that's why I kind of just piece things in my head together one by one. I'm sure there's something like this out there on YouTube, but I just haven't searched for it. But this was just something I came up with that was pretty dope, and I thought some you guys would like it. So and one step further would be to go. This is going to be it's pretty dope. So you would just go to the SCC, and then you type in Virginia, and then from that point you would simply you would go to new search, and then you would type in Donnellan Properties. And then, what do you know? There she is, Donnellan. And then from that point, we see exactly who to contact. And this is who we're skip tracing right now. See what I'm saying? That's who we're skip tracing. So from there, you just go to Ben Verified. Like I told you guys, Ben Verified is one of my favorite skip tracing websites. Not the most accurate, but if you do 10 of these, LLC lookups, you're on point. Your money. You do 10. If you get one person that says they're going to buy your deal, you're in good shape, right? So this is a bit of work, but if you follow those steps right there, I don't see why in the world you wouldn't be able to simply get somebody to purchase your deal. And you just copy and paste his name right in there. I'm not going to, walk you through all that, but copy and paste, do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's how I found my buyer. So if you like the video, go ahead and like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you in the next video. Good luck with your finding your buyers. All right.